There are 4 network drives connected to your computer when you're logged in on the school network, either via wireless or by a network cable. If you go into the Start menu and select Computer, you will see these network locations as the Handout folder, the Hand-In folder, the Campus drive, and your Documents folder. Your Documents folder, also known as the Z drive, is where you store your documents so that they are accessible from any networked computer in the building, including student computers in the Media Center and computer labs. The Campus drive is where many installer programs are stored for future use, such as Comic Life, Audacity, some anti-malware software, and other things that you might want to use on your computer. Your Hand-In and Handout folders are used with your students. Handout folders are organized by teacher name. If you would like to use the Handout folder to distribute documents to your students, just make a folder using this New Folder button with your last name, as these teachers have done here, and then you can place items in that folder that are accessible to your students via their student accounts. The Hand-In folder is a little bit different. It's basically a place, again, where you can create a folder with your last name, but here the students must turn in documents by saving them first to their Documents folder, that is their Z drive, similar to what you have here, and then drag documents into the folder that you've created. For example, if I wanted to turn in something that was in my folder, say this agenda document here, I would have to open one folder with my Z drive and open up another folder with the Hand-In drive selected. And let's say I'm turning this into Miss Clopine. She has individual student data. So let's say I am Alexa Cohen. I'm turning in my agenda by dragging it from this window into this window. And that's basically how you use the Hand-In folder. Students cannot save items to the Hand-In folder because it is write only. That's so that they cannot read other people's documents nor modify other people's documents. The process is similar on the Macintosh side. Your Documents folder, your Z drive, is right here on your dock, followed by your local hard drive Documents folder and your Applications menu. The other network drives are the Campus folder, Hand-In drive, and Handout drive. And basically the same principles apply. If you want to have students hand something in, they need to open up a window with their Documents folder by clicking Open in Finder. Open up another window with the Handout folder. Select the teacher that they're going to be handing it into. Let's say they're handing it into me. And then dragging the document that they are turning in, and I'll go ahead and turn in the agenda again, and I'm turning it into the teacher's folder here. And now it's officially turned in. If you have question marks down here on your dock, that means you are not connected to the network. You need to make sure you are within wireless range or you have a network cable plugged in, and log off and log back in to get the network drives to show up.